Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to redeem codes on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to redeem codes on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, we can see the U button available for us on this menu. At the bottom middle, tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of your phone. And over here on this interface, guys, you can see the coupons and offers option available for us. Over here just above your credit balance, tap on coupons and offers. And over here, guys, you can see at the top of the screen over here, there it says the enter coupon code. Now in order to redeem codes on your Temu account, enter the code which you had received from anybody, either Temu or a gift card over here like this, whichever may your code be. And after entering your code, guys, type on the apply button at the right side of that interface over here, guys. On the box where you put the code, you can see at the right side there is the apply button. Tap on it and that code will be redeemed on your Temu account, and that net value of that coupon code will be added to your Temu account. And that being said, guys, this is how to redeem codes on Temu account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.